There are lots of euphorbias here, but the question is, can you identify a euphorbia? Euphorbias are called fake cactus because they resemble cactus, but they are not actually cactus. So how to spot them? Let's talk about it. The main difference and the very visible difference between a cactus and euphorbia, cactus have areoles. This one, can you see? It's like a cottony thing where the thorns comes from, where the thorns grow. So this is the areoles. And this is an example of euphorbia. There is no areoles, just thorns directly growing. No white cottony thing there. Another obvious difference is that cactus don't have white sap. Let's check. Let's puncture this one. See, there's no white sap. While euphorbia has white sap. Let's try this one. There. This sap is poisonous and toxic to humans and animals. So be careful when you have children. This is poisonous. So let's try if you can differentiate between cactus and euphorbia. What do you think is this? The answer is this is a cactus. As you can see, there is areoles, and when we puncture it, no white sap. Okay, here's another example. What is this? The answer is this is a euphorbia because there's no areoles, and when we puncture it, let's try. There's a white sap. Let's try another one. Is this a cactus or not? Let's examine closer. Can you see areoles? No. And let's see if there's white sap. Yeah, there is white sap. So this is a euphorbia. Let's try another one. Is this a cactus or euphorbia? Look at this. Euphorbia. Let's find out. Let's try to. Yeah, it is a euphorbia because of a white sap and there's no areoles. What's this one? Is this a cactus or euphorbia? What's your answer? Okay, let's find out. There, can you see areoles? Yeah, there is one, a very tiny one. And when you puncture it, there's no white sap. So this is a cactus. How about this one? Is this a euphorbia or a cactus? Can you see areoles? Yeah, there's areoles. That one, the cottony thing where the thorns or bristles grow. And when we stick, there's no white sap. How about this one? What do you think? Is this a cactus or euphorbia? It really looks like a cactus, but can you find the areoles? No? Okay, let's try to puncture it. There's a white sap. So this is a euphorbia. How about this one? Is this a euphorbia or a cactus? What's your answer? Okay, let's find out if there's areoles. There. Let me focus my camera there. These are aerials, and let's try if there's white sap. There is no white sap. This is a cactus. Did you get all the correct answers? Please let us know in the comments below.